On the affiliate link page within the Partners tab, you can find the affiliate link which you can share with your friends or customers so they can register with HokoCloud and become associated with you. A percentage of the charges duly paid by your clients for HokoCloud's products will be directly credited to your wallet. As an affiliate, just click on the affiliate link and it will automatically be copied and ready to share on your social networks or with your direct contacts. This page will also present all the information regarding who registered through your affiliate link with a detailed list of the usernames, emails, active follower accounts added in the system, how many VPS they have contracted, and what was the user date of registration. You can organize this list of users by the amount of subscribed products or registration date. A monthly analysis of the number of registrations through your link is presented in the graph on this page.